Hello there. In this video, we're going to see how to download your free SAP HANA database VM image. Okay, let's go and fire your Chrome and you can say SAP HANA Express Edition. So when you Google that, the first non-sponsored link is SAP HANA Express Edition, sap.com go.sap. Let's go there. Okay, so this is the landing page, and this is a quick walkthrough of what this solution is, and you have a set of tutorials and you have some information about system and features and things like that. They keep constantly changing these pages, but as of now, this is the information you have. Now, this also talks about the different versions of the installer. You have the binary installer, and you also have the virtual machine image, which we will be using. Okay, the first thing you need to do is register and then download the SAP HANA Express Edition download manager. And then you need to start the download manager to actually download the SAP HANA VM image. To run this, you need Java JRE 8, and that's why we installed the Java JRE 8 before this video. Okay, let's go ahead and register now. So just click on this link and it's going to take you to another page, and this is the registration page. So you might want to read all this stuff. Go ahead and punch in your email if you want to subscribe. I've already subscribed, so I'm going to say no, and I'm going to say yes to both of these conditions and go ahead and say register. Okay, so this is the landing page for the download. So you have the Linux version, you have the Windows version. We're gonna go for the Windows version. If you want to give a quick reading to this paragraph, it's gonna be helpful for you. All right, let's go ahead and say Windows. And now what it does is it basically downloads the download manager, and the download manager is actually going to download the HANA VM for you. Now, depending on the location and depending upon the time of the day, this will take maybe a quick second or half a minute. So there you go. Our download manager has been downloaded. Now I'm going to fire it and I'm going to say run. Now, when I say run, it's going to call another downloader. Okay, there you go. So this is what we need. And to run this, we need the Java JRE. All right. This is the location where you're going to download. So I already downloaded this, so I'm going to say Express HANA Express 2, and you can choose which options you need. So first is the PDF, which takes you through all the steps which you need to go through, so we need that. And the second option is the server only, and this is all we need, and this is within the scope of the course. But if you do need the server plus applications, and if you need the text analysis files, this is for users who know HANA and who have already worked on HANA, so they can use these options. So you can go ahead and say download, and depending upon the speed, it's going to take you maybe 5 minutes, maybe more. So when this is done, I'll get back to you. Alright, so we have finished our download and the files have been joined, and it also has verified for us. So you also will get this prompt that HANA Express Edition virtual machine image is successfully downloaded. Okay, that's about it. And obviously you can go and verify. So go to your location and go to HANA Express 2 for me, and I have my PDF and I have my OVA file called HXC. There about it. Go ahead and give it a shot. Thank you.